Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update your n8n cloud version. Keeping your n8n instance up to date ensures you have access to the latest features, improvements, and security patches. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to n8n.io. Once you're on the login page, type in your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your n8n dashboard, which is your main workspace. From here, look at the left navigation menu on the side of your screen. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Help. When you do this, a submenu will appear with additional options. From this submenu, click on Update. This is where you'll manage your n8n version and initiate any updates you need. After clicking Update, you'll be redirected to your account management page. This page contains various settings related to your n8n instance, including version control. Look for the section that displays your current n8n version. You'll notice a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available versions you can switch to. These might include newer versions with additional features or even previous versions if you need to roll back for any reason. Browse through the list and select the version you wish to use. Once you've made your selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This action will start the update process for your n8n cloud instance. Now here's something important to keep in mind. While n8n is updating, your instance will be in offline mode. This means you won't be able to access your workflows or make any changes during this time. All you have to do is wait patiently until the update process finishes. The duration can vary depending on the version you're updating to and the size of your workflows, but typically it shouldn't take too long. Once the update is complete, your n8n instance will come back online automatically and you'll be able to access it with all the new features and improvements from the version you selected. And that's it. You've successfully updated your n8n cloud version and ensured your automation platform is running on the version that best suits your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.